Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having a recent price reduction and loaded with features. Features also include alloy wheels, keyless ignition, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration. Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Sentra. With its spacious and versatile interior and stellar fuel efficiency, the Nissan Sentra is the obvious choice for anyone who wants to enjoy a stylish and comfortable ride. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirror memory, remote trunk release, FWD, headlights auto off, security system. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.